Hello. So I'm going to talk today about why I didn't use Selenium. I had to use Beautiful Soup. The Let's Automate Python book recommended that Selenium had a lot more control and was better than Beautiful Soup. Um, I got Selenium working on my Ubuntu VM. I can't show you an example because I think my VM crashed. I had all this working. I transferred the code to the Raspberry Pi, and needless to say, it didn't work because of some issue with the ARM processor, as per this forum which I found. It said to use Gecko driver version 17 with Firefox version 52. Spent about a day trying to get this work with various different versions. The other thing I had to try was the path variable, update that export path. As you can see, this is the error here. Browser equals webdriver.firefox. Whatever I tried, I had a Firefox error. I also tried Chromium Chrome driver. That was probably even more error prone. So be interested if anybody has got this working on a recent distro. I was using Raspbian Stretch Lite and Raspbian Stretch latest versions on a Pi Zero. There we go. If anybody's got any comments, please leave them because I'll be interested. Thank you.